Hello there, folks. This quick video is going to show you what I do after and before every class that I teach. So I'm going to open up a browser that should open up all of the screens from yesterday's class. And as you see, it's loading the screens up here, except for this guy's not plugged in, so we don't need it. So yesterday we had Kevin, Joe, John, Jorge, James, and myself took over this one right here. And so these screens have the database that the students wrote yesterday in class. So as you can see, I can click on them and they'll have different representations. Anyway, so what I do in every class is I go download a blank database to every screen, and then I download the one we start with. So I'll show you what we're going to do here. So I'm going to go here, and I've got this one called blank. So I go boom, boom. I open this Crimson database up, and I hit the magic Shazam button, and it's going to say override database because the identifier for this database is different than the one the student used. So I'm going to say yes. The nice thing about that method is that will clear out any retentive tags or any set points. And when I load the next database, it'll start fresh. So notice this is number blank on number 91. I'll go over here. Here's number 92. Double click on this guy. Get it up and running, and we'll just go ahead and say assign. Yep, go ahead and go to it. And then we'll go here to number 93. I could have had all these open, I guess, but it's more fun this way and exciting, really. It is, seriously. So we'll go there, say yes. It's going to go do its thing. We'll go to number 94 blank. And I'll hit the old magic Shazam button, say yes. And we got number 95 blank. I wish I had a way to do this as a batch process or something. Wouldn't that be cool? Like you could just assign this process and have it go to town. I think that would be really cool. A fantastic idea. Fantastic, I think. Go ahead and Shazam that one. Yeah. And number 98, the CR3K, somebody's currently borrowing it. Let's go ahead and download to the GRAC. This one, number 99. Of course, every time you open Crimson, it keeps getting smaller and smaller. So eventually, you have to make it full screen. We'll say, yep, do that one. And then we'll go here again. And yesterday, I was using the CR3K 4-inch screen. So let me go ahead and wipe out that database. And we'll go there. And we'll go ahead and download that. All right, when all these get done then, get this one finished. They all should be finished after this guy's done. Okay, and just to prove that, if we go over here, now look, these still show the names of the previous students. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Kevin's tab up here, refresh. Boom, goes back to the original. Refresh, yep, looks good. Notice the numbers are getting refreshed because I'm redoing that session. So this is looking great. What's wrong with James? I don't know. Let's go over here. That one looks good. What about this guy? Number 100 looks good. What happened to James? Why are you? Why is this so? That's weird. Is it remote view here? Well, we'll figure that one out. All right, we'll come back to that guy. Let's see. Is there one of these that's hanging? They all look like, so let's go ahead and close all those. And then now let's go ahead and download the starter database for the class. So that's going to be this one right here. And we'll hit the old magic Shazam, say, yep, go to town. And we'll go over here, and we'll go click on number 92. Yeah, it'd be neat if there was a way to like do a batch process where you could just kind of assign this task I'm doing to all 8 of the class HMIs would be just fantastic. Absolutely fantastic idea. And we'll go to number 94. I think this was 94, 95 was James. Let's see, James was yesterday. He was number 95. Oh, 94, there it goes. Okay, all right. So this was the one that was James that was having a little problem. I don't know why, but let me see if I can download to it here. With the old Shazam, yeah. Okay, so it's taking refresh. Who knows what its deal is? Okay, we'll do that guy. Number 98 is not here. Number 9 is the Grok. Go ahead, Shazam that guy. Yep. And we'll look at number 100 here. And see, the screen gets so small, you got to make it bigger. So there we go. Boom. And then once this one gets done, the rest should have been done by now because I started them before this process. So we'll let this guy finish out. All right, I think, and if I just hover over here, I don't see any that say downloading. So I think I'll go ahead and right click close all of them. And then if I go back to the browser, not that it really matters, but yep, 91. So I changed from the blank. This used to be called 17, 18, 19, whatever, but now I updated them to their appropriate port number. See, the unit matches the port number right there. How special is that? That's pretty cool. All right, let's see. Number 95 was the problem earlier. That's working good now, team. 96. This should be 99, and good old 100 is right there. Yep, so now the starter screen is there. That's what it looks like. Or, of course, this is what it looks like on the G09. This is what it looks like on the 100. Isn't that interesting? With the 100, which is a 4-inch screen, appears to look a little bigger. Weird, strange. How about the 99 is the Grok? Of course, the Grok has the huge screen. Look at that. Pretty sweet. And, of course, all of this during the class will continue or communicate to the RTU14, which is our simulated PLC. So this is the unit we're going to use. So I also will go reset everything in here. That gets rid of all these default values in here. And then if I click the main, I can come here. I'll turn off the temperature simulator by clicking there. I'll reset everything back to the 50 percentile. And now we are ready to teach the next class. So that's what goes through every class preparing, wiping out the previous databases with the blank, new identifier, and then loading the class starting database and going from there. So that's how it goes. Hey, thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day. We'll see you later now. Bye-bye.